Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shri. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful green eye look, for which I used $3 e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette in the color Jalapeno. Since St. Patrick's Day is around the corner, I thought this look would be perfect to share with you guys, as this is a beautiful green eye look. So if you guys are interested on how I achieved this look, then just please keep on watching. Gerard Cosmetics recently launched their eyeshadow base, and this comes in a jar like this, and it looks like a concealer. The consistency is actually a little bit thicker than the concealer. So I'm going to just apply this all over my eyelid using a flat brush. This is a full coverage eyeshadow base. This just covers everything on the lid and creates that beautiful clean canvas. Once this is applied and blended properly, this creates a perfect sticky base. So I'm not going to set it with a powder. Straight away I'm going in with my shadows. For today's look, I'm going to be using e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette in the color Jalapeno. I'm going to just use this palette, which comes with 4 shadows. First, I'm going in with this light green shadow. I'm going to place this on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm using a fluffy flat brush, which is from Up and Up, which is a Target brand brush. This is a perfect brush to place the matte shadows. I'm only going to focus this color on the outer part of the lid, as you guys can see. Then to add depth to the look, I'm going in with this deep green shadow, and using a small blending brush from Morphe, I'm going to just deepen up the outer part of the lid. I'm placing the dark green color exactly on top of the light green to add some depth and dimension to this look. So once the 2 shades are placed properly, I'm going in with this blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges. And also I'm going to bring the light green shadow towards my inner crease. Then I'm going to repeat the steps. I'm going to build the color, I'm going to add depth, then I'm going to blend until I'm happy with the color intensity and the blending. And now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to use the same Gerard Cosmetics eyeshadow base to cut the crease halfway through. I'm using a flat shader brush from e.l.f., which is perfect to do the cut crease. I'm going to start off from the inner corners just halfway through. You can also apply any concealer of your choice to cut the crease. Then I'm going back in with the light green shadow on the outer part of the lid one more time, just to make sure that everything is blended. Now I'm going into this gold metallic shadow. I'm going to pop this color on the inner part of the lid. I'm using a flat shadow brush from e.l.f. And next to the gold, I'm going to pop on this green metallic shadow on the center of my lid. Again, I'm using the flat shader brush from e.l.f. The metallic shadows in this palette are so pigmented. They are just buttery soft, so beautiful and vibrant. And I'm going in back and forth with the gold and the green shadow so that the 2 shades are overlapped and gives that beautiful gradient look. Once the metallic shadows are placed, I'm going back in with the light green shadow one more time. I'm placing this color where the metallic shadow meets the matte shadows so that it looks like a soft gradient look. And now I'm going to line my eyes using NYX Cosmetics Matte Ink Liner. I'm going to create a soft winged liner here. Next, I'm going into this light green shadow. I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply the deep green shadow only on the outer part of my lower lash line to give that smoky effect. And for my waterline and tightline, I'm going in with CoverGirl Exhibitionist Kohl Pencil. Then I'm going to pop on this green metallic shadow right at the center of my lower lash line. And then for the inner part of my lower lash line, I'm going in with this gold metallic shadow. And this gold shadow is going to be the inner corners highlight as well. Then I'm going to pop on the lashes from Kiss. And I'm coating my lower lashes with Hourglass Caution Mascara. Since this palette does not have a champagne highlighter, I'm going in with the CoverGirl highlighter to highlight my brow bone. And this is the finished look. It is so easy to create this look, and I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you end up recreating this look, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at sribeautyshine. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload the new video. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.